Hey guys, this is Mayankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to talk about what is Apple TV Plus and what are the 3 best services that the Apple TV Plus is providing right now. So let's get started. So at first, what is the Apple TV Plus? Apple TV Plus is a streaming subscription plan produced by Apple which holds unique shows and movies that are named Apple Originals and cannot be found anywhere or streamed anywhere else. You may have seen the Apple TV app on your iPhone. This is completely different. The Apple TV has now been rebranded into 3 different types of services. These services differ in most cost-effective ways and is trying to compete with the most popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu. This shows that how Apple is trying to get inside the streaming services and is seeing the potential of Apple TV Plus as the next generation of streaming services. Let us understand what are the Apple TV Plus services and how they are different from each other. Apple TV set-top box. This is a physical TV product that the Apple has introduced to the market through the household cable channels in the world. It is a set-top box type device that gives users cables and TV channels broadcasted from around the world. It runs on TV OS that can only be controlled by the Apple remote or the Siri remote that is controlled by the infrared of the applications. You can also see multiple of different Apple original shows that is only available on these channels. Apple TV app. So the Apple TV app is the one that you can find on iPhone. You can see that on my iPhone I can see the Apple TV app. There are multiple rebrandings of different type of shows that are Apple originals and can be also seen on this show. You can use this to watch and stream multiple shows, and you can also see multiple popular channels like Lionsgate Play, Carnegie Hall Plus, Eros Now Select, and TasteMade. You can all see in the typical services and the channels. And lastly, the Apple TV Plus subscription model. This is the subscription model that is the only available on the Apple TV app. This can boost up the devices and you can see Apple original shows day by day. If the Apple TV Plus is available on your country, you can check it out on the services. Thank you for watching this video. For more amazing content, subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.